What up, Smart Rapper Gang? On the video where I talked about 3 times that you should trash a song, Who is SAS asked me, what if the hook's fire but you're struggling with the verse? So here, this is a different circumstance that I really do feel like a lot of people need to know, because what happens if you turn a beat on and you make this really fire hook, but for some reason, you just can't write the verses. Now, generally, it's the other way around. Like, you get no problem writing verses and finding your flows, but you writing the hook is like, damn, I gotta get the right hook, right? Well, this happens though, because this happened. I have one song. I mean, out of all the new songs that I have, one of them I had that problem with. So I know that this happens, and I'm actually experiencing it right now. I have a crazy good hook. Love the hook. Everyone I show the hook to is like, yo, this shit is hard. But every time I go to fucking record a verse to it, my tone on the beat, the way that I'm rapping on the beat, it's just not coming off right. It's not coming across right. I'm using these different voices. I'm trying to figure it out, and it's not happening. And I have to keep on going back to it and rewriting to it, but I just can't figure it out. And this doesn't happen very often, but it does happen sometimes. So here's some ideas that I have since I'm in the same circumstance. Number one, you have to keep trying. That's obvious, but here's a couple options, okay? When it gets tough to write verses and sometimes you only have one verse in you, this is the time where you want to reach out for a collab with somebody else, okay? Because here's the thing, don't forget, now if you can't write a hook at all, number 3, what you could do is you could be the person on the hook, and then you get 2 other rappers on the verses, because maybe they for some reason can vibe and write those verses, right? But you got a fire ass hook. Now you already did your job. You already recorded the hook, okay? You're still on the song. Let 2 other rappers on there, or 3, and then let them spread the song to their fan base because they're rapping on it, right? Smart way around it. If I, for some reason, cannot get these verses down on this or figure out a way to do it, which is, it's rare, but again, it's happening right now. If I can't figure that out, well, I'm just gonna find other rappers to hop on the song. No problem. I'm sure any of you would love to be on the song, right? Or I can go find some of my other rappers that are friends and let them hop on it and, you know, whatever. That's a good way around it. But at the end of the day, you wanna get it, you have to continue working on it. That's really all there is to it. Come back to it in a month, come back to it in 2 months until you figure it out. I have plenty of time because I got like 10 singles before that one was even gonna release. Well, actually I think that was single number 8. So what, I got 8 months to work on it? You know what I'm saying? I'm not like putting it off, but at the same time, I can come back to it at a different time and maybe vibe to it. So that's a great way around it, okay? Hope this helped. You just became a smarter rapper. Make sure you check out these other videos. Make sure you subscribe. Please leave me with a comment. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'm knocking out these videos like crazy right now. I'm about to shoot another video on how to find super hot girls to be in your music videos, because I just had to do it in February, and I'm gonna have to do it again in about a week for my new music video, Spray. So I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Keep hustling.